Hi there, I'm Crispinas Jacob, an aspiring AWS Cloud Captain, and I'm also aspiring to be a cloud engineer. So today I'm so glad that I will be taking you through one of the AWS core services, which is known as Amazon Route 53. So if you have ever wondered how internet is able to locate website, then Amazon Route 53 is the answer. So we shall look at what is AWS, why Amazon Route 53. We shall also look at what is Amazon Route 53, the benefits of Route 53, why is AWS the giant among its competitors. We shall also look at the type of routing policy. We shall also look at the AWS features, AWS Route 53 key features. We shall also look at ways or different method of accessing Amazon Route 53. So without wasting much time, we shall dive into what is AWS. Amazon Web Services, or in short AWS, is a cloud provider that offers a variety of services or IT services, or can say infrastructure services such as compute power, database, storage, content delivery, and any other resource that can help business upscale and grow. What are the advantages of AWS? One, it is easy to use, even for a beginner. Secondly, it is secure. It is secure. The AWS infrastructure is designed in such a way that any data stored there is secure. Also, it relies on pay-as-you-go pricing, which is making a lot of businesses to shift in the cloud. So we shall understand what is Route 53. Before we dive into the Route 53, we will have to understand the DNS concept. So what usually happens behind the scene? You usually have your laptop there, type the URL, the browser sends the request to the DNS server, and the DNS server resolve the IP address, resolve the domain name into IP address, which then sends back to the computer that requested. Then the computer can use that IP address to communicate directly to the server, and the server sends back the requested resource to the computer. So talking about now Route 53 as the DNS, you can see it's just the same concept. The computer sends the request to the Route 53, the Route 53 translate the domain name to IP address, send back to the browser uses it to communicate to the server, which could be an EC2 running on AWS infrastructure, or any other server running on your premises, send back the requested resource. So what is Route 53? Route 53 is not just a DNS, but it's a highly scalable and available DNS as a service. One of the key advantages of this Route 53 is that one of the major functions of this Route 53 is that you can register domain names, you can connect users to web application, you can also the Route 53 is able to check a health of a resource by sending an automated request over the internet to a resource. So what are the benefits of the Route 53? One is highly reliable. It ensures consistency to route application. It is also scalable, ability to handle billions of requests without user interaction. Another one is it's easy to sign up. It is easy to set up the DNS settings and provide fast response queries. It is cost effectiveness. The AWS billing system is designed in such a way that you only pay for what you use. It is called pay as you go pricing. Also, it is secure with AWS identity and access management, meaning those who are not authorized to access the AWS Route 53 cannot unless they are authorized. So the types of routing policies, there is simple routing, there is failover. Simple routing allows you to configure DNS with no special routing, no special routing 53, no special route 53 routing. Failover routing routes traffic to a health resource. Geolocation routing takes routing based on location of the user. Geo-proximity routing routes traffic based on geographic location of user and their resource. Latency. Also, there is latency routing. If a website is hosted on multiple regions, then the latency routing is used. Also, there is multi-value routing. Configures the route 53 to return multiple value in response to DNS query. Also, there is weighted routing. It routes multiple resources to a single domain or subdomain. Also, AWS Route 53 key features are such. One is traffic flow. I already shown you that. Also, domain registration performs health checks. Also, there is weighted load balancing. Already checked on that. There are ways you can access the AWS Route 53 by visiting the AWS console. You can also use AWS SDK. You can use the command line for AWS. You can use the AWS tool for Windows PowerShell. Well, thank you for listening. I hope you learned something. Bye.